I need to tell you something your lecturer probably never told you, and I say this with love. If you open STATA and the first thing you do is to run a regression, you are doing it wrong. I know your deadline is close, your supervisor is waiting, and you just want to get results so you can submit on time, right? Okay, but this is what happens when you don't do what I'm about to tell you in this video. You run your regression, the results come out, they look fine. You send it to your supervisor send it back to you with a comment saying your data has issues. Now you have to go back and start all over again. You'll be losing the time you claim you don't have. I've seen this happen many times, and I really want us to put an end to it today. Before you run any regression in STATA, you must clean your data. Full stop. And data cleaning is not just deleting empty rows. It is not just renaming variables. It is a proper process and it has steps. Let me give you the 4 things you must check before you touch regression command. Number 1, know your data. Type describe. It will tell you the number of observation, number of variables, the storage type. This is you getting to know the variables you have in your data set. You should not skip this part. It is the type of data you have that will determine how your analysis is going to be. Remember, you cannot analyze what you don't know. Number 2, check the summary statistics. You will type summarize. When you type summarize, it will give you the average, that is the mean, the minimum, maximum, even standard deviation. Now, look at your minimum value. If your minimum value is 0 and you are seeing the maximum, for example, if you are looking at age, if the minimum age is 0 and you are seeing the maximum to be 300, it means that your data is lying to you and you need to find out why. So don't skip this part. Number 3, check for missing values. The command is means table summarize. This will let you know the variable that has missing value, because you are going to be seeing observation less than 0. That is telling you the one that are missing and how many of each of the variable is missing. Missing data is not the end of the world, but ignoring it, you need to find out if it is there so you can decide what to do with it. Check missing values. Number 4, check your key variables. Use the command codebook. When you type codebook, it will show you how your variables are coded. For example, if you do codebook gender or sex, it will tell you what is the value assigned to female, whether it is 1 and 0 or 1 and 2, and which one is 1 and which one is 2. I hope you understand this. If you do these 4 things before running your regression, your result will come out nice and you'll be able to see problem early. Even your supervisor will have less to complain about. Data cleaning is not the boring part of research. It is the most important part, the part that determines whether everything else stands or falls. If you want me to walk you through full data cleaning process, step by step, comment clean in the comment section and I will know what to make next. This is Learn with Dr. Yemi. You can also join our research class or STATA for data analysis training. The link to register is in my bio. Your thesis is not going to write itself, but with the right steps, it's going to make a lot of sense. See you tomorrow.